Now, there's a word that when you say it, you can manifest anything which you want fast. So in this video, I'm going to share with you that #1 word to manifest what you want fast in your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and this is the simplest law of attraction technique to utilize in order to create the life that you want. Let's dive right into this video. So the way that the mind works is, in a lot of ways, its best attribute is solving problems. So unconsciously, it's often looking for problems. It'll look for problems with how I make this YouTube video, and then you'll comment down below, "I don't like it when you do that." It'll look for problems in your house, in your day-to-day life. The mind is conditioned quite often to basically be dissatisfied and then try to solve that dissatisfaction. But you also have another part of yourself, which is your state of being. Your state of being is the present moment consciousness that you are. And when you can slow down and take a deep breath in and out, matter of fact, do one with me right now. Just breathe in like this and back out. Feels good, right? Do it again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Doesn't it make you just want to say thanks when you do that? When you really get that nice deep breath and you feel like you're finally centered and you're outside of your mind and you're here in this present moment, you can feel the inner energy of your body. Doesn't it make you just want to go, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, I can see colors. Thank you, I can hear. Thank you, I have this technology. Thank you, I'm alive. When you can say the word thanks, not only through language, because this reality is a product of energy. And a lot of times what happens is we can get stuck to a string of words. The goal is to actually be in emotion. The word emotion is energy in motion. When you can feel your energy shift, the motion of your energy start to change, you're changing what you attract into your life. Now, the easiest way to manifest the life that you want is simply thanks. So what I'm inviting you to do is realize that a lot of times our world conditions us to think that if we get something that we want in the future, then we'll be happy. So we think, I'll get this thing and then I'll feel good. When in reality, that energy is lack in and of itself. You're in a consciousness of lack because you're always hoping and wishing to move towards something in the future that will make your present situation better. In the Bible, it says, to those that have, more will be given. Have you ever thought about what that statement means? To those that have, more will be given. So it's saying in consciousness, if you have what you want, if you are already in abundance, you feel abundant, you feel grateful, you're going to get more of that because this reality gives you energy that matches your consciousness. Whereas it says in that statement, to those that do not have, even that which they have will be taken away from them. And the irony is, most people take away the things that they want from themselves. The government doesn't take it away, your mom or your dad or the adults or your lack of money or your boss or your whatever. Those things don't take it away. We take it away from ourselves because we get in our own way, because we forget that in this moment right now is salvation. In this moment right now is actually the key to heaven. In this moment right now you can find total peace and total liberation. In fact, it's the only place you can ever find it. And if you embody that, that salvation, that energy, that peace, by saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, by being in the energy of one simple word, thanks. When you're in that energy, you are abundant by nature. You're going to attract good opportunities. Your problems are going to be solved on their own without you needing to figure everything out. You're going to attract more things to be thankful for because you don't get what you want, you get what you are. That's a quote by Wayne Dyer, but it's so true. Think about it. You get what you are. And what are you? You are an energy field. You are a vibrating energy field in motion that is always changing its vibration based off of the way you think and the way that you feel. So you get what you are. And you are a vibration. You are an energy field. So if you can be in the energy field of gratitude, if you can be in the energy field of abundance, if you can be in the energy field of peace, of joy, of love, if you can become an instrument for these things that you want in your life, you're going to attract more of them back into your experience. And here's the big kicker. You don't have to wait for the world to give you stuff for you to feel good. So what I'm inviting you to do is to continue to say this word. Thanks, 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 thanks. Make it your prayer. Make it your affirmation today. Just give it a try. What I'm inviting you to do is suspend your disbelief for the next 24 hours and say, what if instead of trying to do everything, what if instead of trying to get there and do this thing and do this thing so I can get what I want, what if instead you stop doing and you start being? You start being abundant. You start finding gratitude. And what if that is actually the key that simplifies your life and allows you to get what you want a lot faster? The craziest thing is when I'm grateful for money, I get more of it. When I'm wanting more money and I'm wishing and I'm hoping I get more money, I generally create more financial anxiety, and the results I want take longer because I'm in my own way. The irony is when I start being love instead of hoping to get love, I attract the right people. That's how I attracted my wife, Ashley. I started being it instead of hoping I would get it from somebody else. And when you start doing this and you start realizing you are a divine being, this life is perfect, all is really well. It really is, all is well, and that you really live in a friendly universe. When you start expressing this to the divine intelligence quickly and immediately responds to you by blessing you with awesome new circumstances, with great news, with good luck, with awesome great fortune, with new people, with new experiences, with new relationships. It gives you more money. It responds to you almost instantly. If you can be thankful, if you can express that gratitude to it. So what I invite you to do is comment down below, thank you universe, thank you. Thank you universe, thank you. And today, what I'm inviting you to do is the same thing that I'm going to do today. Use every single moment and every single breath as an opportunity to express gratitude, as an opportunity for little things, to express gratitude, the fact that I have fingernails, the fact that I can actually breathe, I have 2 lungs, I have a beautiful respiratory system, and then I'm so grateful that I have, and you just start going around into all the things. This gratitude rampage. You start being grateful for your car instead of pissed that you don't have a nicer one. You start being grateful for the paycheck you received even though you wish it was more money. And the irony is, once you start being grateful for the things that you want, you actually get more of those things in your life. So comment down below, thank you universe, thank you. Comment down below, thank you universe, thank you. So in this video I share with you the #1 word to manifest what you want fast. It's one simple word, thanks. Thanks, thanks, thanks. So I'm inviting you to take a deep breath in and out right now. One more deep breath in and out, and say to yourself, I live in a friendly universe. Today is an absolutely fantastic day to be alive. Take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Put a smile on your face and say, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So my name is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. And if you dig this video, make sure you hit the like button right over there. It sends us out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. Sometimes people call me and say, why do you have to ask us to hit the like button? Well, because the way YouTube works is that you don't actually get videos that's sent out unless people like them. So if you dig this video, they're free videos on YouTube, you can return the favor to send it out to more people. And if you don't like that, that's fine too. Maybe you can find some other channels that don't ask you to hit the like button. But I would greatly and sincerely appreciate if you did hit the like button. And then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification as well. The bell notification right over there is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification? And then right there down below, you'll see The Second Mind and my Success Hypnosis. I have a free Success Hypnosis to help reprogram your subconscious mind so that you can attract what you want quicker and faster by eliminating all your unconscious and subconscious beliefs. You can reprogram your subconscious mind quickly to attract what you want faster. It's right there down below, pinned to the comments, so you can go ahead and use those for free. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I'm grateful to be alive on this little tiny rock spinning through endless space with you. Sometimes we can forget that and lose a perspective that we're all just human beings out here playing this little game. In this little game, we forget who we are sometimes. We look in the mirror and we think that's our identity. We look at our bank account and we think that's our future. We look at the scale and we think, I'm fat, I'm skinny. None of these things are you. You are a spiritual being in a physical body. You've incarnated here as a soul, as an individualized consciousness, in order to learn certain spiritual lessons. And when you remember that, it allows you to lighten up. It allows you to remember that life is beautiful and there are a lot of things to be thankful for. And if you can start being grateful now, you're actually going to get more of the things that you want in your life. So I'm grateful for you for watching this video all the way through, and I'm grateful that you're about to be blessed with something absolutely fantastic headed your way today. I'm grateful that you are starting to have your finances renewed. I'm grateful you're attracting new opportunities. I'm grateful that you're attracting new people into your life, the people that you've really dreamed about. I'm grateful they're starting to come into your life. I'm grateful that you feel better, you feel happier, you feel more inspired than you did before this video started. I'm grateful that you have a smile on your face and you can't stop smiling. I'm grateful that you can't stop smiling. I'm grateful that this video helped you remember to take deep conscious breaths. So have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll talk to you soon.